Everything happens for a reason. A quote I am sure you have heard multiple times throughout your life. Does everything happen for a reason though? You get into a relationship, thinking everything is going smoothly. And then bam, just like that, it's over. You interview for a job, thinking that it went really well, and should be expecting a call to receive the good news. Unfortunately, the good news never comes, and sometimes you are just left waiting.
Thank you for watching.
Hope you will like the video I created for you.
Please support me, click on subscribe. Then click on the bell.